Alrighty, 1998 Ford Ranger. This is number 2, or number 3 coat, I should say. Number 3 coat. Putting on this Duplicolor on the left rear quarter repair of this welded in spring Autobody fix here. So each can covers, say, about I think it's like a 5x8 area. Let's see what this actual can say here. Oh, 10 to 12 square foot area. Well, I've used up all the way up on this panel, as you can see. I'll show you. All the way down. I think it came out pretty good. And like I said, just one can. The bulk of the work was in this area. So I'm gonna go nice and easy. Yep, running out of juice. I just missed up top here. Grabbing up here underneath the wheel arch proper where I did all the welding, obviously. About running out of product here, but I can say I have another can. I'm not gonna obviously buff or do any type of buffing today. Oh, shouldn't have done that. Came out in splotches, so I'm gonna clean that up once it dries. Buff that out. But oh well. So I got most of the paint that I wanted, which was going from here to here, which was the heavy concentration, and then I can blend in more down there. But for all intents and purposes, I am done. So I'll show you. Try to see if I can dismount this camera from the let's try something here. Yeah, I got a new camera mount stand. I was gonna see if I can dismount it from the receiver here. Anyway, well, this is what I'll do. I'll just carry it. So anyway, I'll flip it over so I can see it. There you go. So that's from the rear. Bring it into focus. There we go. Now it's focusing. It's at the widest view I can get it. So I'll start and go all the way down. Okay. The area that I want you to really take a look at is right in here, which is where the actual welding repair took place. Okay, so the actual welding repair that took place was right and here, where I welded in the whole patch. It was a brand new patch job where I had to take it and fold it over, and you guys could probably see that in parts day 6 and 5. Day 5, day 6, and day 7. I'm thinking it was about, anyway, and I wanted to try to get this as looking as good as I could. Alright. Do is bring this up here, show you underneath, bringing the legs on this stand here. I'll just have you take a look at it. Bear with me. That's good enough. So, and that's right there. Looking up. All through there. And not that you can see it, I will also throw on a little extra I've done. Actually, I'll talk about that later. But and that is a close-up for myself. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm gonna let this dry. It's gonna be a good week for this stuff to dry, because that's the next time I'm gonna really be able to get at it, unless I get up early in the morning. Alright, I think my camera's lens might be a little dirty, but yeah. Yep, I think that's probably why. Figure out how to clean off a camera lens. Yep. Anyway, I can touch it up a little bit better, but nothing more. I'm just going over, repeating myself. So anyway, thanks for sticking with me for all this, and I'm gonna, when I come back through, the next time will be a clear coat. Whoops. It will be clear coating it. Alrighty, so that was part 3, and y'all have a great Ablecraft day, and if I can do it, you guys can do it better. And I have pretty much felt accomplished doing this, and there's a lot of, the mindset is that you got to believe you can do it. Number 1, study that you can do it, and then just go ahead and do it. And you'll learn by doing. But devise a plan of action, mock up and do some test runs, and just get at it. That's how you get manual competence. Alright, take care now. You guys can do it.